Mercedes S500 engine, M256 inline 6-cylinder engine, 4Matic. So going to replace engine mount, engine support. According to procedure, need to remove intake manifold for left, for right remove catalytic converter, but I will skip. These are the process and I will save the time. Here you can see you can remove 13 mm screw for engine mount to each side, but the main is it's a E14 bolt. I removed. These are the axle shaft, upper arm I disconnected. You can see here this is the axle. I brake disc also removed because it's reduce the weight on lower arm spring control arm. So now you can see that look like this. How is this? These are the fittings, just we have to disconnect. This is the right side, you can see here, and here is the left side. Left side, just disconnect the steering rack eye shaft, and one more big hose we have to disconnect. So this steering shaft, eye shaft you can say, and also you have to just remove one hose pipe, this big one. Then you can remove the engine mount. This one also have electric connector. This is the number for left side. So without removing the right side engine mount, so this one coming from, this is the differential, and I pull out like this. So this is the electrical connector of this mounting. One is here, one is here. So one connector here for right side and this one for left side. So this one also we have to unlock. These are the lock here. Load this mounting like this, the end of this radiator, this will come out. So this one is the right side engine mount. The condition of mounting right side, and this is the 95. This is the number of right side engine mount. This one is also electric. This is the connector of mounting. Now push this back again. Here rotate this one. This right side mount is touching with this water pump. Just we have to rotate, pull slowly, and it will go like this. Just we have to push it inside slowly. Now rotate this mounting and it will go on the position. This one is the left side hose pipe we have to disconnect. So this one is the clamp. This one going here like this. This will inside and this one here. So this one we have to remove. So after removing, it's easy to remove engine mount for left side.